And now for the concluding remarks. Please welcome back Jean-Éric Paquet. For those who joined us just now, Mr. Paquet is the Director General of the DG Research and Innovation at the European Commission. Jean-Éric, what are your key takeaways from this event?
First of all, the event, I think, has showcased the very many dimensions of the European Green Deal. And I think illustrated also how much it is the basis of very deep cooperation between the Israel Research and Innovation System and the European one. But I think maybe more strategically, I think the event has also demonstrated that the Green Deal is not a matter of climate policy or environmental policy. The Green Deal is the compass. And Alberto Onetti from Mind the Bridge just said it, the strategic compass, which venture capital, innovators, bankers, we just adopted the taxonomy on green investments at EU level just a couple of days ago, that the Green Deal is really giving a compass for the right investments for society, obviously, but also from the point of view of all these key actors. So I hope that today's event will have demonstrated that and will allow all of you key partners in Israel to work together even more effectively with Europe as we roll out that Green Deal, as we roll out legislation, project pipeline, investments, and our toolboxes, and that we will together be able to deal with this global challenge and recover from the pandemic by driving that green transformation. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Jean-Éric.